Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. To prove why sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, and the reciprocals of the sin, cos and tan. For this, consider a right angled triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AC is hypotenuse, opposite to 90 degrees. Therefore, AC is hypotenuse. Let AC equal to H. Now, consider BC, the side. This side equal to X units. AB equal to Y units. Now, since angle B equal to 90 degrees, theta is acute angle, and also 90 minus theta, 90 degrees minus theta is also acute angle. So here theta is acute angle. Let us write these the ratios of trigonometrical ratios with respect to theta degrees. Theta. With respect to theta. We know the definitions of trigonometrical ratios. Sine definition is opposite side by hypotenuse. With respect to theta, opposite side to theta degrees, this one, by hypotenuse. That means the opposite side is y and the hypotenuse is h. Therefore, sin theta is y by h. Therefore, sin theta is y by h. Similarly, cos theta. What is the definition of cos theta? With respect to theta, cos theta equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to theta is x. Therefore, x by h. Tan theta. What is tan theta? The definition of tan theta is opposite side to theta degrees by adjacent side to theta degrees. Therefore, here opposite side to theta degrees y by x. Y by x. Next, cot theta. What is cot theta? The definition is adjacent side by opposite side. Therefore, x by y. X by y. Sec theta. Sec theta definition is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Therefore, hypotenuse h by adjacent side x. Cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side. Therefore, hypotenuse by opposite side. These are the ratios obtained. These are the trigonometrical ratio values. Now, with respect to 90 minus theta, 90 degrees minus theta, sin 90 degrees minus theta from figure is, this is 90 minus theta, because these two angles, the sum of these two angles equal to 90. Since this is theta degrees, this is 90 minus theta degrees. Now, sin 90 degrees minus theta equal to sin opposite side by hypotenuse. Therefore, x by h. X by h. Cos 90 degrees minus theta equal to adjacent side adjacent side to 90 minus theta. With respect to 90 minus theta, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. Therefore, y by h. Next, tan 90 minus 90 degrees minus theta equal to tan 90 minus equal to opposite side by adjacent side, x by h, x by y. Next, cot 90 degrees minus theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side, y by x. Sec 90 degrees minus theta equal to 90 degrees this one. Sec definition is adjacent side by hypotenuse by adjacent side. Therefore, h by y. Next, cosec 90 degrees minus theta equal to cosec definition is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. H by x. Now, an observation of these trigonometrical ratios with respect to theta and with respect to 90 degrees minus theta, an observation, find which of the trigonometrical ratios in this are equal to this. Here, sin theta equal to y by h. This y by h here is this one. Here is also y by h. Therefore, these two are equal. These two are equal. That means sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Similarly, here is x by h. This x by h is cos theta. Here this x by h is this one. Therefore, these two are equal. That means sin theta equal to sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Therefore, let write the result from these two. Sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta equal to this one equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Similarly, here y by x. This side y by x is here. Therefore, these two are equal. X by y. Here x by y. Therefore, these two are equal. That means tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to, this is equal to this one, cot theta. Cot theta. Cot 90 degrees minus theta equal to cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Similarly, h by x, here h by x. That is, these two are equal. Likewise, these two are equal. H by y, h by y. Therefore, sec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Our question is why sin 90 degrees minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 degrees minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Here the results are like this. Results are here. Thus, the question is solved. Now, in these formulas, theta must be acute angle. Otherwise, these formulas does not hold good. So, theta must be less than 90 degrees are acute. This is the condition.